Welcome back to Lexus of Roanoke. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2019 Toyota CHR standard package in the black finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Roanoke come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include HID style headlamps, LED daytime running lights, turn signal integrated side mirrors, keyless entry, power windows and door locks, power adjustable side mirrors, hands-free calling, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, multimedia display with backup camera and Bluetooth audio, dual zone climate control, windshield wiper deicer, electronic parking brake, traction control, split folding rear seats, black cloth interior, all of this and much, much more. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroanoke.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.